Tes aman. Ini suara game kurang gede guys. Tadi dulu. Tes aman. Tes aman. Kecilin dikit lah. Butek cok. Tes. Nah ini cukup lah ya. Oke guys, kita halo semuanya, balik lagi. Kita main apa? Sebut seperti biasa. Apa? Sui. Oke, kita main Sui ya. Suikoden. Gua ngerasa gua mau ngetes sesuatu guys. Twin Flash. Nambah cepet ya. Ini bakal gua unequip dulu guys. Hanya duit gue tinggal cepet ya. Wah, ini semua ini guys. Ntar gua mau ini dulu ya. Gua mau kita cari duit dulu deh. Gila, cok. Ini semua parah gua. Ini gua kasih ini aja dah. Dulu gue ngikut kan ya. Terus Marika Liu ngikut. Gel gue mana gel? Dah. Gel depan gel. Oke, gue mau ngetes ya guys. Gel gue kasihin aja lah. Biar dia kuat juga sih guys. Hanya bisa pakai prominence cok. Beliin prominence kali ya biar lucu guys. Anjay. Naikin defense juga guys. Liu kan rata-rata ininya ini ya. Aduh guys. Liu kan rata-rata. Mana sih Liu tuh rata-rata apa guys? Kok healing tight goblok banget. Kayak bakal gua kasih tadi lo si Liu tuh bakal gua kasih yang serangan aja deh. Gue bingung deh. Anjing Helvis. Liu gue bikin kuat aja ya. Mau beli apa guys deh guys? Tadi dulu kayak gerah guys, gue buka baju dulu dah. Intinya sih kita harus cari duit dulu nih. Habis itu kita jalan aja ya. Kita bikin yang aneh-aneh ya guys. Kita beli dulu ya. Seperti biasa kita belanja dulu, ada yang bisa kita jual. Butuh duit sekali saya pak. Aduh nggak ada duit lagi. Adakah yang bisa dijual? Dijualin aja lah. Jual aja lah ya guys. Bodoh amat lah. Bisa kita jual. Gak cukup lagi duitnya. Jual dulu guys. Habis itu kita sorry ya, please sumpah. Mau beliin si Liu yang kuat dulu, senjata kuat dulu. Kita nggak progres guys soalnya ntar. Larif Topaz Ruby kan guys. Gila ketika duit gua berapa tadi guys? 60.000 ada. Ribu tadinya cuma cepet doang. Tanpa bertarung ya. 100.000 anjing. Scorpion. Hai. Sisa 10.000. Nah, gua trade. Cuma bisa beli 2 lagi. Udah biasa sejutain lagi ya. Sejutain habis itu story kita guys. Serius. Kok kesini lagi ya Jing? 200.000 kita beli Let's Ruby. Yuk, let's go. Jual dulu. Scorpion Hide. Rainbow Cloud. Gua trade ya. Apa cukup ya segini ya? Duit gua berapa sih? Orang mau beliin Liu lah ya. Gue cukup gak ya guys? $400.000 kurang sih guys. Tadi Let's Ruby gue cuman berapa sih? lima kali 15.000 lumayan lah. Rainbow Cloud. $600.000 cukup nggak ya? Males banget gue guys. $600.000 cukup nggak ya? Cukup kali ya. Soalnya Magicnya pada support gitu loh guys. Sini dulu deh. Ini jualan ya. kasihan lagi ya. Ini nggak bagus sih. Tambahan 20 doang guys, prominence. Ini pasti sakit sih. Coba lihat. Oh dia main magic ya? Nggak perlu lah magic. Apa kita beliin ini ya? Bentar guys, gue bingung. 12.001 kan? Enggak, ini gini. Tune Plus-nya dibuang aja. Ini 65 sih guys, ini 80. Anjing ngeri banget ya. Sakit banget tapi lemah banget guys. Ntar mending Giant ini enggak sih? Giant deh. Ya gue beliin Giant deh. Jelnya gue beliin Giant juga. Wah ini Demon Hammer sih sakit guys. Kita bikin karakter yang aneh-aneh ya. Nah segini cukup lah ya. Soalnya dia di depan guys. Anjing duit gua habis cok. Kurang nih duit gua nih. Kurang nih kayak duit gua. Gue sisa berapa sih guys? 200.000 anjing. Karena di depan gue mau ngasih ini kan shield gitu rencananya. Pamet shield oke kali ya. Scale shield boleh lah ya. Oke nggak sih guys? Oke lah ya, belilah. Sama si gel. Gel lu. Aduh dia nggak bisa lagi guys. Nggak bisa ya. Nggak bisa guys. Dia nggak pakai magic soalnya. Liu, lu jangan beli broom lah. Wah, 300.000 nyet, sumpah gak cukup. Kita belanja dulu ya. Kayak gue salah beli dah. Mendingan kita beliin dia kapak gak sih? Bentar guys. Iya sih Jel, mendingan gue beliin kapak aja dah. Yang ini guys, yang pokoknya yang nambahin defense dia dah. Defense magical lemah banget soalnya si Jel. Ini gue jual aja deh, lagi ribetin guys. Sumpah demikian. Bodo amat lah, mahal-mahal dah lu. Murah-murah maksud gue. Aduh, kurang lagi duitnya. Paramount. Oh, tadi gue cuma beli 7 ya. Bener-bener sejuta ini harus, guys. Ini boleh deh. Dragon HT murah banget sih ya. Jangan. Nether Lion di Crack Bar. Ayo guys, beli lagi guys. Semangat. Gold ore. Scorpion hide. Ini berapa sih guys? Tadi dulu. Nether Lion goceng cuma bisa beli 5. Untung 25.000. Kurang sih. Untung 50.000 cukup lah. Untung 50.000. War Titan ini ya biar cepet. atas juta. Oke guys, beli yuk. Ada apa gua ngetes di sini ya? Ntar gua mau beliin si gel. Bukan. Crescent Edge. Namanya defense tapi ini OP sih guys. Speednya tapi berkurang ya. Boleh lah. Ratus anjing harganya. Liu cukup berum aja sih, nggak apa-apa. Liu cukup berum aja, cukup 80 soalnya dia guys. Si gel ini nih. Defense-nya yang lemah itu loh. Di sini jalan aja deh guys, langsung ya. Pada bingung-bingung. Speednya berkurang ya. Berarti dia kudu nambah aksesoris. Mana gel? Gak sejauh itu gel. Nambahin, jangan adepsis deh. Sebenarnya butuh ini sih dia. Gak apa-apa lah ya. Enggak. Bukan lu, bukan. Topas. Dragon Legend. Itu apa sih? Tadinya Adeptus ya. Namanya Dragon Helm. Wih, nyala anjir. Perisai ya bro, keren banget ya. Ah gel, come on gel. Lemah banget anjing. Iris Nickel. Ini aja kali ya. Nah, tinggal si Liu nih beli senjata, guys. Oke, si Liu ini deh attacker ya. Liu, lu jangan master rope. Master rope juga oke sih. Marika. $60 ya. 70. Lazuli Spear. Kayaknya bagusan ini gak sih? Lazuli Spear. Anjay. Kayak OC gak sih, guys? Gue demen yang nambahin speed aja. Ayo, story yuk. Save dulu. Heal dulu gak sih? Tadi kepake ya? Oh iya, kepake. Gila, hampir 40 menit cuman begini doang, Cok. Itu serunya ini, guys. Save dulu tuh, kita story. Cek ini dulu deh. Cek submisi. Habis itu baru kita story. Gue tahu nih karakter gue jadi apaan ya. Orang jelas ini. Gak ada ya, ini cuman kayak ya ngobrol-ngobrolin ini aja. Duit lah. Ya, kita berarti langsung aja ke gue lupa di lantai 3 ya. Farmasi tuh lantai 3 kan? Bukan, lantai 2. Farmasi di lantai 2, Pak. Nah, bener, untung kita kesini dulu.
Good timing. I was just about to come get you.
Me?
Yes. Sophia says she wants to talk to you about something.
Oh, Sophia, kemarin kita habis ngalahin Sophia ya. Sophia jadi Sandman anjir.
Oh.
Hey, feeling better?
Yes, thank you.
Sophia's remembered everything, and she even accepts me as her father. It's all thanks to you and the others.
Come on, we played a part, but you risked your life to save her.
Saber.
He's right, Dad.
Sophia.
Malu,
What is
malu.
it, Dad? You better leave him alone. I don't think he wants you to see him like this. But why?
Anyway, did you want to talk to me about something?
Oh, that's right.
That's right.
Or the Chancellor, rather, gave me the mark of the true Chronicle.
so I'm able to understand a bit of the true chronicle, which normally only the Chancellor can comprehend. That's what I'd like to talk with you about, or actually, what I must talk with you about.
Apaan sih
I'm
muter-muter
all
aja?
ears then.
Thank you. First of all, according to plans recorded in the True Chronicle, the One King was to descend on this world after taking in 5 other worlds.
5? That
5.
doesn't sound right. That desert we found was already the 10th world, wasn't it?
What could that mean? I hadn't heard about it either.
Please, take this.
Hey, that's a...
Dapat lagi nih kita.
It's the 10th False Chronicle, the chronicle of boundless amber that was buried within me. Please touch it.
Well, okay.
Dapat mark baru lagi nih kita.
Oh! Why do you interfere? Only one remains! The next world to be fused will be the 12th, completing the ritual. In this world, we ask that the Radish can be saved!
What use is a constant reliance on the One King's mercy for survival? Being saved is not worth the price we must pay.
Anjir suaranya ngeri banget ya.
Prepare to die!
They're gonna die.
Jeez, what was that all about?
A ritual to save a world that would otherwise vanish. What can this mean?
The Chancellor, he tried to complete that ritual.
Hey, what's wrong?
Sophia! He was right. It's still too soon.
Too soon.
She's suffering from exhaustion, and the doctor insisted that she rest. But she was adamant to get something off her chest, and just wouldn't listen to him.
I'll have to ask you to come back later.
Right. Whatever's best for her. But still, I'm curious about all this.
We all are.
Oke, Amber. Berarti kita tinggal ini nih ngebalikin yang chronicle yang ada di Dirk ya.
Hey! Huh? What's the problem?
It's Lou. You gotta help him.
Lou?
Just hurry up and get to the Grand Hall.
Right.
Pasti nyala tatonya.
Lou, what's going on here?
Dah ada di itu Dirk bukan sih?
Nice to see you.
Dirk.
A quick word of advice. No matter how strong your forces are, never leave the castle empty. Sneaking in to hide and do this couldn't have been any easier for me.
Dirk.
Whoa, I wouldn't come any closer if I were you. Do you have any idea what'll happen to Lou?
I'm sorry about this. I really blew it.
What did you do to the writing of the scribes?
Oh, you mean this? Lou is a smart man. I gave him a choice between the Chronicle and his life, and he chose wisely.
Oh, dia punya dua, Pak.
really sorry.
Lou,
If you refused me, I would have killed him and taken it anyway, so no big deal.
Dirk, are you serious? How can you be doing this?
How could I be doing this? I'd like to take you on, man to man.
Dirk!
Ah. Are you serious, bro?
Aw, you don't have to be afraid.
I'm not afraid of anything.
No point? How about I pluck off one of Lou's arms here? Would that give you a little...
Dirk! That's enough. You want to fight? Fine. Bring it on.
Splendid. But there's not enough space here. We'll do this in the front. So clear out the street.
Oh, ribut nih kita.
Lovely. I'll leave you there, Lou. Don't try anything stupid. And I know you're a smart man. But just to make sure, you're coming alone.
Fine.
Dirk! Stop doing this. I wish you'd just come back to us.
It's too late for that.
Gila Dirk jadi jahat ya.
Dirk.
Tuh gua nge-save dulu anjir.
Here I am.
Oh iya tatonya hilang ya, baru sadar gua.
So glad to see you're not a coward.
Let's get this over with.
We shall.
And stop messing around.
All in due time. I want to savor the fact that Lou gave up this false chronicle.
What do you mean?
I heard the Scribe's Chronicle can be used to neutralize the power of other chronicles.
Huh? What did you do?
I just sealed off the marks of the stars. Now I get to see you fight with nothing but your own strength.
No! It doesn't matter.
Sorry?
I said, it doesn't matter.
Gila, Mamet berani banget.
Ha! Trying to bluff your way out of this. You don't actually think you can beat me without that power.
I won't know until I give it a shot. So bring it on.
If that's what you want, I'll show you just how powerless you really are against me.
Tapi ntar dia pakai ini lagi mark. Anjir, keren banget dia pakai ini kan. Oh, kita nggak bisa pakai mark, cok. .500 nggak apa-apa deh, yang penting defense-nya kuat lah ya. Kalah kan lu? Apaan sih orang dia yang kalah
What's the
kok?
matter? Can't hold your own without any star power?
Shut up.
I think you've all learned a lesson today. Without the marks of the stars, you're nothing. None of you. So rid yourselves of any false chronicles and give up. It's for your own good.
I said shut up.
What?
First I wanted to protect the village. Then I started to hate the Order. Now I don't want to let this world vanish. And that's why we fight. Not because we have power, and not because we have the ability.
Gokil.
But you get it, Dirk? You're like our brother, and you just don't get it.
Mampus.
What's this? Impossible. I sealed the powers of the false chronicles away. So this must be... No. Is this your own power?
You're going down.
Bisa kita. Attack aja. Ih, 103 anjing. Heal dulu nggak sih? Lu pakai sepuas lu. Anjing nggak? Oke. Healing tide dulu nggak sih? Oke. Ah, kon. Tai ya. Kayaknya kita harus pakai ini deh, magic. Pinter ya anjing. Mampus lu, nggak bisa gerakan lu.
Dirk. Hey, you've grown into a strong one.
What are you talking about? I thought you took it easy on me, right? What's your game here?
Never mind, I found out what I needed to know.
I don't get you, Dirk. What's the deal? What is that?
Ih, kenapa lagi nih?
Is this it?
should have known.
What's happening?
Oh my gosh, there's something way too familiar about this. It can't be happening. Is this the 11th?
Hah?
What's going on?
When the Marcina planes appeared, the sky lit up just like this.
Could this be the coming of the 11th world?
That's impossible. The True Chronicle said it's not coming for weeks. Because this wasn't part of the original plan.
Sophia!
Kenapa nggak ngasih tahu dia?
What's going on here? It's the Chancellor. He's able to fuse worlds on his own.
No!
That can't be true. You've heard each coming is already determined, and that places can be changed with false chronicles. But it's all a lie. He's using the power of false chronicles to alter the true chronicle and fuse worlds.
Fuse
How
World.
can this be?
And that's what's happening right now. That's why you didn't know, Deirdre.
Diadora.
I'm sorry. I never imagined the next world would come so early. Go. You have to get out of here fast.
Why is it happening so early?
I'll explain later. We gotta get everyone out of here.
Got it.
It's no use.
Dirk!
Just look at the scope of that light. It's too late to run now.
How do we get out of this mess? I've got it. The gateway. We can pass through the gateway to escape to Fairmont.
That just might work.
Let's move, Lou.
Right.
Dah, katanya suruh nyelamatin yang lain, tapi dia berdua yang lari.
Let's go. Open the gateway, fast.
It's no good. It just won't work. I just tried it, but the gateway won't open.
What?
Why not?
I imagine it's because a fusion of worlds has begun.
Diadora ya.
Deidre!
Diadora.
Neither. It must be due to the world's unstable boundaries.
I know it.
There is.
Dirk,
Remember when Mage vanished, another world's desert appeared, but the Mage City remained. Why? You really think Alfred would make some half-hearted attempt to keep Sunspear at range?
Huh?
Someone at the Mage City used the Chronicle of the Ancient Covenant to resist the fusion of worlds.
Can that really be done? I guess it wouldn't be all that surprising if you could fuse worlds to begin with.
If that's true, then someone must have wanted to save the entire Magedom, but didn't have enough power. So practically the entire Magedom vanished, except a portion of the Mage City, but its people were gone. The fusion range was moved to the north, however, and as a result, only South Seville was spared.
So, where are you going with this?
If we have a false chronicle that hasn't been used by Alfred yet, we can do the same thing here. And maybe even better this time.
Dirk, tell me how to handle this. You try to get plan with the Chronicle, trying to...
Don't be reckless.
Gila,
There's
nekat
no
juga si
telling
Mamet.
what'll happen if the human uses the full power of a chronicle.
That's just it. We'll never know if we don't try.
I don't feel like telling you.
What?
There's no need to tell you. There should be one other chronicle that Alfred hasn't used yet. And here it is. The Chronicle of the Tatao Council.
Ih, punya dia ya?
Dirk,
is this what you had planned from the start? This isn't how it was supposed to be. You had to use that chronicle so you could have an honest face-to-face talk with him.
Lou,
If this is all you wanted it for, give it back.
Sorry, time's up.
Mau nyelamatin kita ya?
more. I need more. Chronicle of the Fury Sword. No, I summon the mighty tribe within it. Lend me your power. Dirk.
Hancur badannya nih.
Yes. Yes. Stop. Stop doing this.
Itachi kah? Itachi Suikoden anjir. Gila.
The light is gone. We've been saved, haven't we?
Oh iya, masuk akal ya guys.
Dirk,
Dia
hang in there.
ngambil chronicle si ini nih, si Liu, biar nggak ada yang bisa ngentiin dia gitu, buat nyelamatin nih kastil sama si Mamet dan yang lainnya
You idiots! Why?
kan. Itachi anjir.
You're supposed to be the older one. Why would you do such a stupid thing?
Don't look at me like that. My days were already numbered. I couldn't hold the chronicle of the furious roar inside me any longer.
Don't give me that. How could you do this to yourself?
What can I say? Sorry. I thought that since you obtained the power of the stars,
Enak banget bisa ditransfer anjir.
you felt an obligation to fight. I thought you didn't really want to fight, but you felt bound to a mission. And I wanted to free you from that way of thinking.
Dirk!
But when you and I had our talk just now, I realized something.
Lu jangan banyak ngomong, mending transfer sekarang lah, baru ngomong.
Not you. You were right when you called me that. I really am an idiot.
Stop it, Dirk. We can fight together again as a team. We've still got some hard times ahead. Help us out, okay?
Oh, that's right. I wanted to help you somehow. From the very beginning. I just wanted to help. I'm happy I was able to be of some use. In the end.
Dirk, don't talk like that. We need you. Wake up, Dirk!
Balikin dulu baru mati anjir.
Hey,
How's Dirk? Oh my...
Dirk.
Selamat gak sih guys? Hilang dong Chronicle 2.
No. No. Please, no. I don't believe this. Huh? Dirk! No.
Ih, tatonya balik lagi.
No! Please! No!
Oh, aman berarti guys. Restorer kemana? Ah, you gonna die, Itachi bro. Uchiha Dirk. Peluk dong.
Oh. Hey, Marika.
Deirdre's out investigating whether or not the 11th world appeared somewhere else. Oh, and Sophia's waiting for you at the hall. She wants to talk to you again.
Got it.
How are you doing?
I should be asking you.
Well, actually, I feel better when I'm moving around. There's just so much to do, so... Dirk bought us this time, you know, so we can't put it to waste.
Wrong.
Hmm?
It's not that we can't put it to waste, but we don't want to put it to waste.
You're right.
Oh, dapat lagi nih for restorer.
So Valfred's to blame for everything.
Not everything. Out of the 11 worlds chosen so far, 4 of those were chosen by the One King.
Which means 7 of those were chosen by Velfred, including the 11th.
I'm sorry. If I'd only talked to you about this sooner.
It's not your fault. Valfred's the one to blame for this.
He even made the Maidstone vanish.
Gila ya.
But someone cooperated with me to protect Salsabil.
Yes.
That scoundrel! How could I have been working for him? I will never forgive myself for that. But there's one thing I don't understand. Why would Valfred want to do such a thing?
But first, the One King planned to descend after fusing with the first 5 worlds, right?
If the One King would have come down without Valfred's help, why would Valfred up the number of fusions?
I don't know. But I suspect that drawing fragments of other worlds to this world is part of some sort of ritual.
That's right. I heard that in a vision when I touched that Desert Worlds book. Something about completing a ritual with the coming of the 12th world.
The Chancellor spoke of that too. The True Chronicle already says when the 5th fusion and the One King's descension are supposed to occur. But he had to make 12 fusions before the One King's descent instead of just waiting for him.
12.
If the 11th we've just experienced has failed, we've still got 2 left to go. But if it only changed course, then there's only one left.
Unfortunately, there's only one left.
Deidre,
Did you find the 11th world somewhere out there?
Yes.
Just
Di
as I
mana
thought.
anjir?
Without the true chronicle, all we can do is knock them out of range.
where'd you find it?
Northwest Pharamond, near the eastern section of the Nosla Woods.
Northwest. Barat daya ya namanya kayak artinya ya. Pokoknya kiri atas lah guys. Northwest tuh. North agak ke baratan dikit. Utara agak ke baratan.
That area should be nothing but swampland with no people living there.
That's what I saw. So I doubt any towns or villages were affected.
That's good. At least it's good that nothing ended up like the Mantidom this time. No, this is still a very dangerous situation.
Blue?
If the 11th world has appeared, that means that 11th Chronicle's out there. And if the Chancellor finds that...
He can bring about the 12th world.
No, we won't let that happen, no matter what it takes.
We've got to secure the 11th book before anyone else does.
Then let's get moving.
I'm going too.
Hah?
Sophia!
The Order no longer has Archivist, so the Chancellor himself will most likely go out to find the Chronicle. I was helping that man, and I even thought of him as my father. So I'd like to do what I can to stop him.
Sophia.
I get where you're coming from, so join the party.
Thank you.
Gila join kita.
As long as we're searching for a Chronicle, we might as well take Liu Tao along.
That won't be necessary.
Huh?
Someone other than him should know of the Chronicle's whereabouts if it's over there. I used a gateway to get a quick look. I called it Rarohenga.
Rarohenga.
Rarohenga?
That means hell in the language of my world.
Hell? That's not too comforting.
It's such an unusual, horrifying world that Rarohenga is all that comes to mind for a name. The Chronicle might... No. I'm sure it's somewhere in the middle of that world. Please be careful.
You bet. Wish us luck.
Wah, levelnya 38 anjing. Jurusnya tuh apa sih? Belum ada sama sekali, Cok. Gue jadiin support aja nggak sih, guys? Sophia kudu ngikut ya, nggak bisa diganti, guys. Gue bawa dulu deh. Tiu bawa nggak ya? Jangan deh, bawa Marika aja guys. Sama seperti biasa, gel. Ntar kita ambil dulu ininya nih. Mana ya dia guys? Terus wah dia udah flame vortex ya. Healing wave boleh deh. Revival Ray. Oh berarti dia mainin ini dong. Bentar guys, dia kudu mainin Duitnya nggak cukup. Lazuli ya, boleh deh Lazuli. Ini asik gak sih? Kurang ya guys. Cancel dulu deh. Kita beli ini dulu guys. Boleh deh, ini gue namain pakein moon necklace ya. Wah, defense-nya kurang banget ya. Tar guys. Di sini nggak sih? Northwest. Wah, kurang ya. Tahu pas ya guys. Ya mending beli di sono lah. Ini apa nih guys? Rarohenga. Kita mainin dia di ini aja. Salah cok. Apaan sih? Salah nyet. Ada mission lagi nggak ya? Kalau ini mission dulu deh guys. Duitnya kismoy parah bos. Lazuli Root. Ding 84.000 cok, kurang duitnya. Bentar deh guys, ini gak sih? Gue udah punya ya mastery ya. Dulu dah. Ya elah. Nambahnya dikit guys, jangan nanggung. Sophia. Salah. Nah, gini dong. Gear Kismoy, bro. Kan udah ada Marika ya. Mending dijadiin ini aja gak sih? Yang sakit-sakit, guys. Iya, ini kan yang bikin sakit gak sih? Iya, gue jadiin aja. Bentar, si Mamet ada jurus baru nggak? Two way terus, nih. Sampai to cost 300 physical damage. Boleh sih, guys. Dying Beast. Boleh nih, guys. Terus gue kasih ke Marika. Marika apa, guys? Spear Torrent. Masih begini-gini aja. Kalau gel Courage-nya nggak ada ya? Cukup, guys. Save dulu. Aduh, kok mati, guys? Ntar dulu. Save dulu. Udah gue save belum sih? Bentar, guys. Bikin Rotska dulu. Ayo let's go guys. Misi. Sorry. Nanggung. Dasar nih, gue belum salah dasar. Oh iya, mau belanja deh guys. Bentar ya. Ada yang jualan item gak sih? Di kastil nggak ada guys ya? Gak ada yang jualan item guys. Seriously. Nggak ada yang jualan item guys. Kita beli item dulu deh. Belanja dulu ya, nyantai kan? Kan ini di sini nih. Tadi udah nemu nih si ini nih. Rarohengga. Kita kesini dulu aja. Ya nggak sih? Belanja dulu guys. Nggak ada ya? Cuman weapon shop guys. Wah gila. Seriously. Oh ini General Sol bro. Ini apa turu? Oh beli. Ini beli banyak nih guys. Wah duit blokismo ya. Beli 10 gak sih? Jangan beli senjata mulu guys. Ini beli deh 10 cukup lah ya. Boleh beli 10. Salah. Cukup lah guys ya. Masih aman. Save dulu bentar. Buat ini sih, buat si Sophia kalau ngeluarin jurus sih. Gila. Teraka bro. Bener-bener teraka. Apa ini tiba-tiba? Lu apa nih? Pukul aja lah, lu support. Anjay ngeri banget nih. Strike. Gonna die. Kena poison, unbalance. Tadi dulu guys. Ini dia tuh White Rose ya. Dying Wish. Oh, kurang magic damage gua. Lu attack aja. Gonna die, bro. Oh shit. Anjing diapain itu? Wah gila ya. Kok main gede guys? They gonna die, bro. Darkness Stone. Aduh, ini tempat luas banget, guys. Ini buntu. Tempat luas banget, sumpah. Lah, kok gue bisa ke bawah lagi, guys? Lah, muter anjing. Oh shit. Gonna die, bro. Ah, ini kemana anjing? Eerie feeling is way stronger here. This was gotta be where it's coming from.
What took you so long? It seems I've been waiting an eternity.
Ah, ini Valfred gak sih?
Who's there?
Wih, si Valfred, bro.
Oh, Valfred, is that you?
Greetings. And thank you for taking care of my daughter.
Stop saying that. I'm not your daughter.
Now, why would you say such a sad thing? Haven't you been calling me father all this time, my dear?
Stop it.
Cut the daughter crap already. You tried to make Sophia and the rest of us vanish. And what happened to Dirk and the Maidsdom? It's all your fault.
I really didn't want to do all those things, but they were necessary for the ritual.
Ritual?
What is it you're trying to do, Chancellor? And what is this ritual you speak of?
I'm only trying to bring the one true way to fruition. Nothing, and it shall be done by fusing this world with that of the One King.
What?
What are you saying? I thought you and your ilk believed that it'll happen when the One King arrives. I don't believe that for a second.
Nor do I.
What?
Surely the One King will descend on this world at some point, making it
Ini kalau
vanish and
dapet
leaving but a
bad
remnant.
ending, keren juga guys.
Just as with the Osterfolk, the Porpoise Kin, and all other worlds that were fused to this one.
I knew it.
However, if we can take in the 12th world and invite the One King before that occurs, this world will not have to vanish at all. Yet it will become a single entity with the One King's world.
Is that the ritual you speak of?
Correct. Now that I've answered your queries, I have something of my own I hope you'd be kind enough to comply with. After all, that's what I've been waiting here so long for.
What is it?
It's quite simple, really. You stop fighting and wait patiently with the rest of us.
What?
To get as many people as possible into the One King's world, the Order's principles must be spread. These principles must be accepted in order to enter the One King's world. We don't want to lose any of our comrades who are worthy to enter due to such useless fighting.
Aduh, ini apa ya? Gue pengen jawab yang atas sih guys.
What do you mean by useless fighting? You talk as if the One King's descent and our loss to him has already been decided. Succeed or fail, nothing's decided until we try.
How troubling. Am I to assume you're determined to continue fighting as you have been?
You better believe it.
What a pity. Would a good look at this change your mind, perhaps?
Dia punya apa itu?
It's the 11th Chronicle.
Cripes, he found it first.
Indeed, I did. And why don't I show you what's been recorded in this chronicle? I think you'll find it quite interesting.
What?
Oh, dikasih lihat kita guys.
Haste. The One King's control is expanding as we speak.
Don't worry. This spell should take care of the One King once and for all. Look at this!
What was that place?
The original condition of this world before it expired.
Expired?
Its people had a horrendous method of resisting the One King, which eventually led to their own demise. Which is why it has become such a twisted world as you've witnessed today.
What does all this mean?
The instantaneous death of thousands. No, of tens of millions. Every detail was recorded in the true chronicle of this world. But a detailed account of so many deaths was quite heavy for a single chronicle. So it...
And this contortion was projected into reality, causing the world itself to be twisted?
Correct. Think about it. If you continue fighting, the same thing could very well happen again.
Kita nggak tahu kan sebelum kita mencoba kalau kata
It's not
si
too late
Mamet.
for you. Accept the Order's principles and come with us to the One King's world.
Not a chance. A world where everything's already determined would be worse than this Rarohenga place in my book. Smiling, crying, even thinking. It'd all be determined in advance and play out as planned.
What is it you find so unappealing about that? Possibilities, emotions, free will, and other
Free
such
will itu
things breed
keinginan
so
bebas
much
yang
fighting,
bebas ya.
so much suffering.
Harapan ya, apa sih free will? Free will itu bebas, will itu keinginan.
And eventually the world becomes torn, just as this one has. A world where everything has been predetermined would be so peaceful, so beautiful, would it not?
You...
I feel pity for you. But I refuse to accept your words any longer. The pain I felt when my mother passed away, and the joy I felt when Dad did so much to save me. To know those things were not predestined is what gives me hope.
If all feelings and thoughts were predetermined, then there'd be no reason to live. I hate that world.
So you'll continue to fight, and risk ending up as this 11th world has. A twisted, hopeless mess.
We won't let that happen, and we won't give it up to the One King. So there's only one thing left to do.
That's right. And first on the list is to shut you down, old man.
Serius ngelawan dia nih, Cok. Nggak gitu. Dying Wish nggak sih, guys? Dia bisa di-hidden gak sih, guys? Nggak bisa ya? Nol. Nggak bisa dilawan dia, weh. Nggak bisa dilawan. Dia nggak bisa dilawan, Cok. Nggak bisa dilawan, anjir. Kenapa nggak bisa dilawan, guys? Ini kayak cuman bukan, nggak bisa dilawan.
Man, our attacks just aren't working.
Of course they aren't. It's because I have this.
No!
Yes, it's the true chronicle of this world, with everything about it recorded in exquisite detail. The power of fake chronicles is virtually ineffective against it.
That's not true. Nothing about the 10th or 11th worlds happened as you wrote in the True Chronicle.
Yeah, you never know until you try. The Chronicle of Shining Legacy.
What? What is happening?
I don't know what's going on, but I'm starting to think we got a real chance here. We can do this.
Udah ribut lagi nih beneran nih. Ini berguna nggak nih gitu aja? Ntar tes dulu ya, guys. Ini link like apa, guys? Anjir. Oh iya, kepake, guys.
How can this be? Sophia has the mark of the true chronicle within her. Is that why? Or is it that I'm unable to handle the true chronicle due to my own mortal existence?
What are you rambling about, you old kook? Hand over that 11th book, and the True Chronicle too.
I'm afraid that's impossible. If I can just fuse one more world, the ritual is complete. Then the one true way will come to fruition, and this world will have peace and order under the one king.
That's what you want? Is that really what you're hoping for?
Of course. Why is it that you people are
Seru
incapable
juga
of
cerita, tau, guys.
understanding?
Sampai sini.
If we don't do it like that, this world will eventually be consumed by another and vanish. Don't you see?
Don't be so sure. There's got to be another way to handle this.
Then be my guest and try this other way you so confidently speak of. In the meantime, I shall perform the final ritual at the Tower of the Way.
Not if I can help it.
Cabut dia.
Hey! It's gone.
He must have gone back to the Tower of the Way.
That old kook, we gotta stop him.
Balik nih kita. gue belum ini guys, belum kesini. Gitu doang. Gak gini deh, lu nge-heal semua ya. Oh dia ngenaikin ini ya. Wow sakit guys. Darkness Stone harganya mahal gak sih? Oh shit. Oh, lumayan buat branding guys. Ah ini lemah banget sumpah. Tuh healing wave nya. Anjing sakit banget ya. Tipis-tipis aja gak sih guys? XP-nya gede juga nih guys. Oh shit. Buntu ya. Helpis lumayan gratisan. Sepi nih musuh. Baru diomongin. Wah dia nyedot ya. Ay, gue nggak bawa support ya, lupa lagi anjing. Aku kuat. Kok dia nggak nyerang-nyerang sih? Gua die dong gua. Tuh healing wave. Ih, gila ya, sakit banget guys. Wah, ini tempat grinding sih. Granada ya kali. Keselin yang itu tuh anjing. Tahan bro. Wah mati dong gua. Ya gak naik level anjing. Iya, defense ininya lemah banget guys. Info zombie anjing. Ya apaan sih miss? Lu enggak, lu heal aja. Ih, nggak mati-mati loh. Ih, gokil nggak mati-mati guys. Nah, gitu naik level. Ah, tar dulu nih. Ada apa ini? Ah, si ini enggak sih guys? Gila nggak mati loh. Ini sih nggak bisa didiemin ya guys. Sakit banget pada ya. Anjay keren banget ya. Lantai aja ini mah. Wah anjir ini apaan nih guys? Hah? Ada ceweknya anjir. Oh shit. Wah luar sini sih. Aduh dia lagi anjing. Tuh healing like ya. Healing boy. Apaan sih? Dah. Oh kena sendiri guys. Oh kena sendiri anjing. Oh karena dia lahar ya. Baru nggak lagi gue. Alah. Untung kalah anjir. Halo, halo, halo. Halo Chris. Alah, malas. XP-nya nggak nambah guys, males gua. Boleh tuh grinding situ. Hah? Wah, tebel banget tuh guys. Oh, robot anjir. Gokil. Ini namanya Suikoden Tear Craze. Kita harus balik dulu ke ini guys sih? Kayaknya harus balik ke ini dulu deh. Ini bener gak sih? Apa kita muter-muter aja ya? Oh bener-bener. Dia ke tower gak sih dia? Di Sinus. Apa kita kayak balik dulu deh ke sini? Oh kan bener. Baik dulu, baik dulu. Oh di hall mulu nih. Kita belum juga nyampe kastil ya udah disambut aja sama dia. Dia kan tukang job anjir. Oh ya gue belum ngambil. Hah? Final battle guys.
You got a quest report waiting. Way to go! You sure worked hard. Here's your reward.
Iris X.
Way to go! You sure worked hard.
Wah final battle nih seriusan.
Here's your reward.
Seriusan final battle guys. Ntar. Prominence, Giant God Fierce. Ininya gue ganti deh. Wah malah berkurang ya. Marika. Kalau gue kasih. Tadi ini gue dapet apa sih? Demon Spear. Sama aja ya. Saya lihat insert brings bad luck. Lucu kali lu. Demon semua nih gue liat-liat. Wah turun ya. Tapi speednya nambah guys. Coba gue lihat. Job now. Oke.
Hey, great leader. Want some work?
Defense. Wah ntar
This
nih.
the one you want? Until next time.
Banyak misi yang belum selesai guys. Ini kayaknya final battle deh. Fake Station. Are you seriously? Cek dulu deh. Kayak ada yang kelewat deh. Oke, mungkin segitu dulu aja streamingnya. Terima kasih yang sudah mampir. Sampai jumpa di streaming berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.